Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to download HP LaserJet 1020 Plus driver, printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you need to proceed at the bottom search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match to appear, and once it's here, please click on Open to continue. Okay, so the moment you are being navigated to the Google Chrome browser, please proceed at the search bar and type for HP space LaserJet space 1020 space plus driver. Once you've typed that, please click on enter so that you will be redirected to the result. So you can see a lot of results here. Please proceed to the first result. Okay, click on it. And the moment you do it, you would be able to see a window like this, where here you can see the HP LaserJet 1020 plus driver. All you need to do is you need to scroll down and under the driver product installation, if you don't see this, you can click the down arrow and you would be able to see this one where you can download this HP LaserJet 1020 plus driver. So aligning to what you can see there, a download icon or option, click on it to download it. The moment you do it, it will eventually start the downloading. Just click on this download icon at the upper right side of the screen to check the download in progress. So we just have to wait for a while until this downloading process will be finished before we can proceed, okay? Now, once it is being downloaded, please click this folder icon so that you would be able to see the location where it is being placed or saved to. The next step that we need to do is we need to move it here to the desktop. So by that, click this cut icon at the left side of that and close the window as well as this. And please do a right click here at the desktop and go with the spaced icon. Now, once you have pasted it, let's move on to the extracting of this file. So by that, please do a right click. Okay, and you need to scroll down and go with extract to. So just click on extract to HP LaserJet 1020 and it will eventually start the extracting of this file. So we just have to wait until it will be finished before we can proceed. So once the file is being extracted, we need to move on to the button search bar and type for settings. Once we typed it, please wait until a best match would appear in this window, and once it's here, please click on Open to continue. By the way, you can also press Windows and I key together in your keyboard, and in that way, you would be able to bring up the settings. Here at the settings, please proceed at the left side of that where you can see a list of the options. Please locate for Bluetooth and devices. And under the Bluetooth and devices, you need to scroll down and locate for devices. Okay, please click on it. And the moment you do that, you need to scroll down and locate for an option called More Devices and Printer Settings. Once you have bring up this window, which is the devices and printers, which contains basically the devices and printers, you need to proceed at the left side, upper left side of that. You can see there an option called add a printer. So please click on it. And the moment you do it, please proceed at the bottom option, which is the printer that I want is enlisted, and select on add a local printer or network printer with manual settings under this window. So by that, please click on next, and it will ask you to use an existing port. Now here's the catch. You need to choose among of these three USB port, either USB 001, 002, or 003. In my case, I'll be selecting the USB 001. Once you're good, please click on next, and it will show you they install the printer driver. Please click on have disk. So from here, please click on browse. Okay. And in this locate file window, you need to proceed with the desktop since our extracted file is being placed here. And please scroll down and locate with HP LaserJet 1020. So double tap to it, and it will allow you to choose the specific language that you'd like to. In my case, I'll be selecting a universal language, which is English. Please double tap once again, and if no items match your search, don't worry, click this down arrow, select your HP LaserJet, and please scroll down, and you can see there the driver. Okay, so this two driver functions the same. You just have to choose among of these three. In my case, I'll be using this HP LG 1020. Okay, you can also use this. Okay, so click on open, and from that, please click on OK since it is being saved here, and it will show you the printers. So by that, please click on next, and it will ask you to use the driver that is currently installed or replace the current driver. In my case, I'll be going with the recommended one. Click on next, and you can rename that. So in my case, I'll be renaming it 1020. So please click on next, and it will now start on installing the printer. We just have to wait until it will be finished. Click on next once again and go with finished. So from that on, you have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet 1020 in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So you can now close the window as well as your settings, and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.